Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see how to host your website on GitHub in under 7 to 8 minutes. So starting with GitHub, GitHub is a company that hosts code repositories, that is collection of codes for projects. Many of the code repositories that you create are open source, which means that they are publicly available for the whole world to browse. Okay, what is a repository again? Repository is just collection of all the data files that you have relating to your web application or website. So you can upload static websites on GitHub for free without paying a single penny. So if you guys are beginners and you want to showcase your projects to the world without actually buying a hosting plan or buying a domain, you can do it on GitHub for free. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. And code repositories can contain all sorts of code, not just HTML and CSS file, but whatever code is needed to make the project, you can use it and upload it on GitHub. So now if you guys have not signed up on GitHub page yet, so go to the site githubpages.com, sign up here, and if you have already signed up, log into your website, log in using your credentials, and then go to GitHub. So if you go to GitHub, this might not be the similar page that you see. If you guys have if you guys are using GitHub for the first time, it might seem different. You'll have another option called as Get Started or Start a Project written over here. So what you have to do is click on Start a Project. Now, if you guys are having difficulty creating a GitHub account, you can click on the I button. You can see on the screen right now, I've created a step-by-step tutorial and what options to select, how to create your account on GitHub from the scratch. Okay, this video I'm not going to show that because we are only going to see how to host your website on GitHub pages. Okay, so if you want to see that, click on the I button or click on the link in description. So moving forward, you'll see a button Start a Project. So you can either click on that or you can create a new repository. You can see, if you look hard enough, you can find repositories and then you have this option here, new. So click on new. Now here it will ask us to give a repository a name. So you can see project name. So make sure you name the project exactly your username.github.io. Okay, which means that whatever your name is .github.io. So owner is this, and then I'm creating a repository under this. So I can give a repository name, let's say example. Okay, this is the name that I've given. And if I want a description, I can give a description about my web application or website, so that if anyone visits it, they can read this small description that I've given. Okay, so here it should be public, and add this readme file. Why do you add this? So whenever you install an application, you have some terms and conditions according to which you have to use that application. So if in future someone comes to your profile, finds your application good enough and they want to use it, but they don't know how to use it, so you can always write these type of instructions in this readme file. So always include this readme file, and then let's click on create repository. And after this, you can see we only have this readme file now. Now what you have to do is you have to add files that you have created to your repository that you have created. Okay, now files that you have created, which means that website or web application, whatever files you have written, such as JavaScript or HTML, CSS, whatever files you have written, all of them you have to upload it here. So you can do it in two ways. The first is, you can see add files option is here. So you can create new files and paste the code here itself on this file. Okay, and the second method is upload the files directly. So rather than copy and pasting the code again and creating new files, what I'll do is, these are the three files that I have, so I'll just drag and drop them. Okay, and I'll start uploading. So one by one, all of the data that I have will be uploaded. Now you can see, now it has completed the upload. All of these are the only files that are required for my website. Let me just show you the website one time. Okay, this is the portfolio that I created for myself a long time ago. So this is what I'm going to host on GitHub. So all of the data files have been uploaded. Now commit, if you want, you can add. Commit is like a message. You can, in the future, if you want to update this and again you want to upload your files, so that time, to avoid confusion and check your version history, that what you have uploaded when, So you can always add commit that this is the first commit, second commit, so that you can be clear when you made changes, and you can also go back to whichever commit that you want to. So it comes a lot into Git. Probably sure you guys don't know about it. So just leave it empty for right now and make sure this option is selected. Commit directly to the main branch and just click on commit changes. Okay, now the processing, as the processing is complete, all of our files will be uploaded in this repository. Now, how do you operate it on Google or on the web? How do you share it with your friends so that they can watch your amazing work? So go to settings here, you can see at the end here. Once you go to settings, scroll down to GitHub pages. You can see this option as GitHub pages, and here we have source. So from none, select the main option here. Okay. Again, from none, select it to main and click on save. As you click on save, the page will refresh. Again, you have to go back down to GitHub pages, and here you can see your site is ready to be published at this URL. Just click on this, and after we click on this, your site is ready to publish. We can see the website that we have created and which is now hosted on server. Okay, so let's click here, and after clicking you can see that now my site is loaded. Now it is there on the internet. So if I want to share it, I can just copy this link, and if I paste it in the new browser again, you can see it loads up. So now this project is live. If you have created a resume of yourself and you want to showcase your resume or whichever project that you have created and you want to show it to other people, so this is how you can do it using GitHub. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and you learned how to upload your website or project on GitHub and host it for free. So that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your developer friends so that even they can host their projects for free until they get pro, and then they can buy hosting and domain. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.